Hello everyone, once again Josue Dioba with you, and today we will talk about the ELECTROATOM project as well as our new achievements, the opportunities you can have and the evolution of this project. I hope you are doing well. Let's go. First achievement, first good news, as you know, very soon. Recently, we had an interview with the director, Viktor Thionov of the company, and of course, we revealed some plans. The first thing to understand about our project is that it is essentially an autonomous powder plant based on triboelectricity. The second thing to know is that we are currently launching a project and we have 3,500 participants, which amounts to a value of 2.5 million. Of course, the third thing to know is that you can purchase packages ranging from approximately $100 to $5,000. Today, the budget we would like to reach is approximately between $100 and $200 million. For all these people, they will eventually purchase packages and will be able to earn profits and become owners of their own energy. And we would like to congratulate our partner, named Hamidou Kiemde, for this good news, who has reached the specialist level. He has done very remarkable work, and we are very proud of his achievements and for the development of the ELECTROATOM project in his country. So we send you these warm calls, and we thank you for everything you do. We also want to congratulate our partner, our winning representative named Prince Adam, who was able to celebrate his birthday. We want to congratulate you on this birthday. Of course, he is someone who does a good job, and Prince Adam celebrated his birthday. You have all the greetings from the ELECTROATOM company. And now, we will talk about our webinars that take place every Tuesday and Friday in English, which are led by Koyade. This is the opportunity given to you to understand the ELECTROATOM project. Tuesdays are dedicated to the technical part, and Fridays are dedicated to the investment part. Also added to this, every Friday, we have conferences on Zoom organized by the African representatives at ZoomSu, all those countries that you can follow. In addition to this, we are now going with Miss Owen, who organizes a Zoom conference with the Vietnamese community on the 13th of every month. Also, we will now discuss in detail the conference that takes place every Sunday at 9 p.m. on Zoom, organized by Armanda, which precisely discusses how to obtain funding for all its energy. And then we will now talk about Gerard Soquenou, who also organizes conferences every Wednesday around 1 p.m. on Zoom to discuss the ELECTROATOM project and how the investment is made. Gerard, therefore, answers your questions, and that is good news. That was all for today. Thank you for following us. We will see you very soon for new updates. Don't hesitate to follow us on all our social media on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram. Goodbye.